Is your Google Pixel 7 Pro not connecting to Wi-Fi? Or Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting randomly? Let's fix it step by step. Fix 1. Toggle Wi-Fi. First, swipe down from the top of your screen, open the quick settings panel, tap Wi-Fi to turn it off, wait 5 seconds, tap it again to turn it on. Now try connecting again. Sometimes it's just a temporary signal glitch. Fix 2. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Now go to settings, tap network and internet, tap internet, find your Wi-Fi name and tap on it, tap forget. Now go back, select the same Wi-Fi again, enter the password carefully, tap connect. This refresh the saved network configuration. Fix 3. Reset network settings. If it's still not working, let's reset network settings. Go to settings, tap system, tap reset options, tap reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth, tap reset settings, confirm. Your phone will clear all saved networks, reconnect to Wi-Fi and test again. So that's it. These easy and quick fixes will solve your problem. Now your Google Pixel 7 Pro Wi-Fi should be working. So, if this helped, please subscribe and share with your friends who are facing the same issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment which solution worked for you.